I need my own car though. But right now I'm trying to get some lunch in a hotel. I ain't full of nothing. I'm hungry. Yeah, it's a rental vehicle through work for work. Watch my pin videos and stuff. You'll see all that. If you don't know, it tells you. Rental vehicle through work for work, correct. I got a job. I use it to work. That's what I do. That's it. That's all I got. I'm grateful to have it. But that's it. Emmett and Kimberly. I don't know who those people are. But I hope they're okay. I don't know who those are. All right, so anybody can help me out? Look here, go to bio top away. Send some gifts too, y'all. I need some help. I'm homeless. I'm hungry. Help me, please. Anything helps. Let's go. Let's get some gifts going in. Let's get some top aways coming in.
You make me feel like I'm so alive. You made me smile when you showed me you cared. Now for the first time I feel this connection. I'm grateful for the first gift you shared. Dancing to the beat of my heart. Excited by my first gift. You. My heart is broken.
Come on, y'all. Let's go. Top four ways. Please help.
Perfect gift and soar through the sky like a rocket ship. Then we got just the thing for you. So send it now and get on board. There's so much of the universe to explore. Unlock all the secrets with the ones you love.
Come on, y'all.
Just a small little animation that brings out all of our imaginations. So slide through the galaxy with your favorite creators.
Come on, y'all, let's go.
Show them you love them so much. Soar through the universe and do them a favor. Send them a TikTok shuttle. Send them a TikTok shuttle.
Come on, y'all.
The best way to show your appreciation is to send them.
I already got all the resources I can get. I just need help. Please help me. I'm hungry. Watch my, go to the bio, read the posts, and watch the videos. It tells you everything, man. Look here. I'm homeless, man. Send me some help. Help me get a room. Sleep on a bed inside and air conditioning. That'd be awesome. How about lunch? Anything. A car. Place to live. Whatever. All kinds of stuff, man. Look here. Help me out. Please. I love you. Please help me.
That adventurous animation. You're gonna put a smile on the face. The next time you're watching TikTok live, send a shuttle and watch the light in their eyes. You can make your favorite creators day. So give a gift today. Slide through the galaxy with your favorite creators. Show them you love them so much. Soar through the universe and do them a favor. Send them a TikTok shuttle. Send them a TikTok shuttle.
All right. Anybody got any gifts? Send us some gifts. Go to the bio, send some help. How about lunch? What should I get for lunch? What should we get for lunch? What should I get for lunch? I didn't get enough for lunch last time I was live. Ramen noodles. Do not eat ramen noodles. Those are fake. That is plastic. That's not real food. Do not eat ramen. Unless they're homemade noodles. Don't eat the stuff at the store. That's not real. That's not real, man. All right, so what should I get? A burger? A steak? How about a steak? Or a hamburger or something? What about one of them drive-through meals? Yeah, I wish I had a steak, all right. Pizza and wings. Yeah, that's good. You need to get a hotel room for all that. Dollar menu at McDonald's. They ain't got no dollar menu no more. Ain't nothing a dollar. The dollar store is not even a dollar. Where you been? Roll out. I ain't got nothing to spend. Y'all gonna buy me lunch. Somebody in here gonna buy me lunch. Let's go. All right, depends on where I go on. Y'all send the help. How much I get to go to lunch? Well, let's go. I'm hungry. Who's gonna buy me lunch? I don't know. Is it you, Stephanie? Alicia's gonna buy me lunch. She's so nice. She says the nicest things. I think she loves me. Lexi, you gonna give me lunch? Who is that? Chris? You gonna give me lunch? Who is that? Who's next? Casey. Casey's the one. Yeah. She loves me so much. She's got a picture of me in her mirror, on her mirror. She looks at it when she gets ready in the morning. All right, for real. Who got some gifts? Send some gifts right here. How about buy me some lunch? Who got some lunch? Marie, you gonna do it? Who gonna do it? I won't tell nobody. Unless you want me to. You send a note. Along with it, I will. But if not, you can remain anonymous. That's fine. I'll just thank you back the other way, you know what I'm saying? But I also need to get a hotel, a car, and a place to live. So please help me out, man. I'm homeless. It sucks, man. I'm hungry, man. What's up? I need to get a place to live, a car, and a place to live, man. What's up? I need shelter tonight. What's up? Anybody got any gifts? They'll send the thing out on Wednesday. But I need some help. Does anybody here got any positive help? Please send some help. I sure would appreciate it. Go fishing? No. No, I need to eat, get cleaned up, and go to work. I need to charge the vehicle up. I need to eat, get cleaned up, clean the vehicle up, get clean supplies for me, clean supplies for the car. I need to get a hotel, go check in, and go to work. And then when I'm done working, go sleep in the bed. Yeah, and eat some pizza and wings. That'd be good. Or just take the day off and get a hotel and pizza and wings. You know what I'm saying? And just chill. I'll do a live later on with no green screen. And you put some people in the box. But I need to get a room for a few days for that. Ow. But they are convenient. I'm trying to think. I saw one. Yeah, there's one somewhere. All right. Anybody got any help? Send some gifts if you got them. Send some help in the bio, top of ways. Share the bio with everybody in the world. Send me some help. I'm homeless. I'm hungry. I need to get KFC. There we go. Get some fried chicken. Okay, we got a winner. That's the one. KFC, that's it right there. McDonald's has $5 meal deals. I'm not near a McDonald's. KFC, that sounds good. Some fried chicken. Get some biscuits. Yeah, that'll work right there. But that's like, how much is that? How much is a 3-piece with sides and a drink meal? That's like $13. That sounds good. Somebody go ahead and hook that on up right there. I'm gonna go get me some fried chicken. Finger looking good, man. The Colonel Sanders. That's what's up. That sounds good. I need some of that good fat too. So now we got a selection for the place. Good recommendation there. That's something I ain't had in a long time. I need to go get me some of that KFC. That sounds good. All right, so send some gifts and then go to bio. We'll get some KFC. I'll go get some. And then I need to get a room though. It's already past check-in time. So please go to the bio. Top 4 ways. No, I do not have a place to stay. I'm homeless. Please help me. Happy birthday. Somebody's putting dates on here. I guess that's your birthday. Happy birthday. All right, so KFC, y'all. Top 4 ways. And then hotel. Send some gifts, please. They'll send that out on Wednesday. Come on. Well, that's right. Let's get it going on here. Top 4 ways. KFC. Please help me. I'm homeless. Come on, y'all. Let's go.
Show the world that you're alive. Say good morning, say good night. Fill the live room with good vibes. Send a TikTok gift today. Give a gift to show your love. Tell the host you like their stuff. Be the one who creates a buzz. Give a virtual gift today. Whoa, right in the live stream will stay. Whoa, send some joy their way. TikTok gifts are virtually amazing.
All right, welcome in, everybody. Look here. Read the screen, double tap the screen, share the live, send some gifts. They'll send that balance out on Wednesday. Right now, trying to go get some KFC. Go get some fried chicken for lunch. I'm hungry. I'm homeless. It sucks. Please help me out. And a hotel room, and a car, and a place to live. So anything helps. Let's go. Talk always in the bio. Share the bio with everybody in the world you know and you don't know. Followers, friends, family, co-worker, church members. Get them to do the same thing. 24 hours a day, telling you homeless no more. Please help me. I am very grateful for any help. If you don't hear from me, it ain't true. I don't have to be live. Y'all can send help anytime. 24 hours a day. Please help me. I am homeless. Please help me. Go to my bio. Send me some help. Share the bio with everybody in the world. Please. I'm very grateful for some help. I'm just homeless and broke. I'm hungry. I need shelter and everything. Please help me.
Give a gift and make a splash. Send a gift to get some laughs. Give a gift that shows your pride. A gift that shows your sign. Send a gift to make them smile. Make them happy, show your style. Send your favorite TikTok host a gift today.
All right, there you go. Another gift song there. Welcome in. Read the screen. Double tap the screen. Share the live. Send some gifts. Go to the bio. Send some help. I'm homeless and I'm hungry and I need some help. I'm grateful for help. Please help. Share everything in the bio with all your followers, friends, family, co-workers, church members. Get them to do the same thing. Please send some help. Any amount helps anytime, 24 hours a day. I don't have to be live. Please send some help. I'm hungry. I'm homeless. I'm hungry. I need a hotel. I need a car, a place to live. Please help me. Thank you for the gifts. Please, please, please help me, y'all. I asked people what I should get for lunch. And then somebody said KFC, and that sounded good. So I was like, that sounds like a good idea. And if I get enough for it, I'm going to go get it right now. Plus, I need to get a room. I need to sleep in the bed for a few days inside, man. It's too hot out here. This is crazy. I can't do this. Being homeless sucks, man. Plus, I gotta go to work and stuff, man. I need to rest, though. Thank you for the gifts. Now, the gift thing, on Wednesday, they send out whatever the balance is. So, if you send as many gifts as you can right now, many, small, big, whatever, all of them. And then Wednesday they'll send me whatever that balance is. But I also need to you can go to the bio, the top of ways, send some help directly so I can go buy some food directly and get a hotel directly and directly not be homeless no more as soon as possible. Please. Please, 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 please help me. Please, 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 please. Please, 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 please. Food stamp ain't got no money on it. Food cart empty. Please help. Please, please. Please, 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 please. Please, 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 please. Yeah, I'm in Florida. Please help. Send some gifts. Please help. Bio. Top boys. Send some help, please. Please, 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 please. No, send it directly to me. Ain't got no apartment. What you talking about? Stop lying. That's not allowed. Please help me. Look here. I'm homeless and I'm hungry and I need some help. Now, you just heard me tell you that. Everybody in here heard that. So please help me. No, I did not. No, don't do that. Send it to me. No, don't put nothing in my name. I didn't give you permission to do that. I only give you permission to do this right here. Positive help. That's it. And gifts. Come on, y'all. Anybody got anything positive, please help me. I am homeless. I'm very grateful for some help. Please send some gifts and please go to the bio and send some help. Share everything in the bio with all your followers, your friends, family, co-workers, and church members 24 hours a day until I'm not homeless no more. I'm hungry. I'm homeless. I need to get a hotel or Airbnb or something. I got a lot of other stuff too. So please help. I'm very grateful for some help. Birdman, I don't know what happened. I guess he's still in the clink. I don't know. So if there's anybody here who can help me get some lunch in a hotel or something, that'd be great. Send some gifts too. They send that out on Wednesday. Biggest gift I ever got was a Galaxy, I think.